Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Frankfort, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is one that involves moving more than 50 miles. We handle long-distance moves with ease, ensuring that you arrive at your new address without any issues. Our movers, on the other hand, will go out of their way to ensure that your move goes very well. They also take care of your move, and in the hands of 3 movers, your move will go off without a hitch. When it comes to moving people across the country, we put a great deal of trust in our ability to do so. All of our customers are covered by insurance during and after the move, so they don't have to worry about anything. 3 Movers will never abandon a customer who has placed their trust in us. Our job is to alleviate the stress of moving. When it comes to moving, we've also been able to put a grin on the faces of our customers after conducting business with them. Every local relocation we perform costs between $30 and $40 an hour, and you can vouch for the affordability of our pricing. The best way to find out is to ask around. At our core, we are the best in the world. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Frankfort moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. Request a free quote using our online request form.